Hello and welcome to another edition of the Hidden Gem Alert, where we find some really good assets out there that's undervalued or people are not really talking about. This is Adam Shelton, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. Crypto.com coin. And if you're interested in purchasing Crypto.com, you can actually download the mobile link that I have in the description box. Go ahead and do this. I'm going to talk about Crypto.com because I really feel like it's very undervalued. It's definitely a hidden gem in my opinion. As you see here, it is trading at 15 cents and it's reached as high as, 24 cents it looks like back in April. But the reason why I think Crypto.com is a hidden gem, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And yes, we are so excited about this coin. Now, check it out. Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app. I have this application as well, and I use it on a weekly, daily basis. You can download the Crypto.com app in the description box. And then they actually have a referral program where you can refer other people and receive $25. So if you go ahead and get invested into Crypto.com, you can receive $25 as well. But the reason why I think it's a hidden gem, for the price it is, which is only $15, only 15 cents, it is the world's fastest growing Crypto.com app. Join 10 plus million users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. So you can actually download the Crypto.com app and then apply for a Visa card and receive money back, receive 8% back on your crypto. And then you grow your portfolio by earning up to 14% interest on your Crypto.com assets. And another thing you can do, as you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Crypto.com and Litecoin, you can actually stake your assets on the actual Crypto.com app. You can actually stake it and earn more crypto when you stake it on there. They have a 1 month and they have a 3-month term. I usually go through the 1 and the 3 month depending on the asset and the terms and conditions, but you can earn extra crypto by staking it or earning interest on the Crypto.com app. Now, you can download this on an Apple, if you have an iPhone, or if you have a Google, you can actually download this. But by the way, down below the video, you can download the application just by clicking on the link. And look at this. Look at all these different assets it does have. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin is on there, Polkadot, and I really feel like this is very undervalued because it's one of the fastest growing application in terms of buying crypto, earning crypto interest, 30 plus cryptocurrencies that you can really find. And check it out. This is another news that hit that I saw is that, let me see here. This here, Crypto.com announces 2-year sponsorship for, look like IIHF World Hockey Championship. I'm not sure how to pronounce that really, but this is starting to happen. Look at this. Crypto.com, a cryptocurrency trading platform with global headquarters in Hong Kong, announced Friday that it has signed a 2-year deal to become a official cryptocurrency and NFT sponsor of the 2HF or II, or I'm not sure how to pronounce this, World Championship. I think that's big because more people and organizations are starting to understand what Crypto.com is all about. Partnerships are starting to really grow there. There's an article here that talks more about it. I'll have a link to this article as well. And look at this. Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency app. In just 4 months between October 2020 and February of 2021, the company customer base has increased from 5 million users to more than 10 million. And look at this, the price is only 15 cents trading. You gotta know, in my opinion, this is going to continue to grow. Not financial advice, not necessarily. I'm doing my research. I'm just showing you exactly what I'm doing and showing you exactly what I see. Now, the pros and cons of the Crypto.com app, it is this. Earn up to USD 50 exchange sign-in bonuses via crypto news referral above. Low fees. It's beginner friendly. That's one of my favorite things about this, is beginner friendly. It's also ability to buy and sell crypto with fiat, credit, debit card, or your cryptocurrency. So you actually can buy assets with your credit card, your debit card. It's really easy to do. And it's regulated and trustworthy platform. So those are some really good pros with it. But the cons are, it's the exchange is only available for US residents and low privacy, which the low privacy is getting better. Now, if I go back to here, real quick, you'll see what some of the stats are. It was founded in 2016, team of 900 users, 10 million plus users. Remember, it just said this. It just said over here that it's grown. The company customer base have increased from 5 million users to more than 10 million in a short amount of time. So that means this, I would feel like this thing is going to continue to grow. So it is a really, really good, I think, an undervalued asset. It has a lot of different good things about it. It's secure, in my opinion. From the research that I got from it, the privacy thing is getting better, so don't worry about it. Don't get so keen to the privacy stuff. The NFT is really coming up. They actually doing things with NFTs, which that's becoming very, very known and very, very popular. So Crypto.com is involved in NFTs. Here's the top creators in terms of that. Look at this. Some of the top creators. Look at all this. Look at all these actually artists and actresses and entertainers. This is part of the NFT platform that that Crypto.com is going to be involved with. Well, they already involved this. And let's see what else I wanted to show you here. The company, the products. We talked a little bit about some of the products. The best thing I think it has is the Crypto.com Visa card. I think that is a steal. Look at this. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8%. Get up to 8% back. Also, they has a really, really nice referral program. This is what it looks like, the interface. It looks just like this. So when you click on the link below, and you can download this on your phone. Don't worry about downloading this on your desktop or your laptop or anything like that. Download this on your cell phone. I'm just saying, download this on your cell phone, and then you can start investing into different types of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, VeChain, among others. But look at this one more time. That's the price of it. And I really feel like this is very, very undervalued. And on this here, it does tells you exactly more things that it does. Crypto.com is a native cryptocurrency token of Crypto.com chain. It's a decentralized open source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading, and financial services company. So you also can purchase this on different exchanges like Kucoin, but I suggest you just go to Crypto.com app. You might as well. That makes sense to me. I don't think I would. If it was me, I don't think I would buy it on different exchanges. I would just go ahead and get it right on the Crypto.com app that looks just like this, and then you can stake it. Then when you buy it, then you can look to stake those type of assets. So if I had 500 or 1,000 Crypto.com coins, I will look to staking that to earn more coins, more interest. So that's just a little bit of something that I would do, but I can't tell you what to do. I'm just telling you that's what I would do. But, you know, because you want to always grow your portfolio, and the Crypto.com is a great way to doing that because you can earn up to 14% interest on your crypto assets. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you, not only staking, they open up more assets that you can stake, and I'll do another video on terms of like how to do that and more conditions about doing that as well. So that is Crypto.com review. This is a little bit about what's trading on there. So this is a little bit more of the assets that's actually on the Crypto.com app. I'm gonna see. Well, hold on. Let me see. Are these all the ones? Okay, a lot of these are. Now, Tether's not on there. Cardano's not on. Cardano is on there. You can't get Cardano's on there. All right, click on the link below. Get access to the Crypto.com. This is the Hidden Gem Alert. The Hidden Gem Alert, Adam Shelton. I really like Crypto.com because it's a very friendly platform to invest and to buy cryptocurrencies. It's only 15 cents of the taping of this video. So take a look at it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and also to grow your brand. I'm Adam Shelton. I'll see you on the next video.